This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Beth Livers. Price to sell. Highly sought after stellar model West / over $200,000 in upgrades by current owner. 0 corner sliding doors open to covered seating area overlooking a new screened, heated, sun shelf pool and spa West / 2 waterfalls and travertine tile. Crown molding and detailed trim, shiplap wall, designer bathroom wallpaper, and more. Stunning island kitchen with tons of storage and walk-in pantry. Open concept living West / private den, office or sitting area. Extra large 3-car garage West / epoxy floors and added storage. New landscaping completes your private tropical retreat. Built 2025 West / transferable warranties. For more information